Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a 9-spice curry duck. This is the new curry from Rajapuri. So sit back and let me show you how easy this one is to put together. So guys, to start this recipe, I'm starting off with seasoning the duck. So the first thing I want to do is go on with some bitters. This is just going to help cut the gaminess. So I'm using the cocoa bitters for this. Okay, so the next thing that goes on is salt. So add salt to your taste preference, guys. And goes in some all-purpose seasoning. Remember that also contains salt. Next, black pepper. Now we're going to go on with our aromatics. So chopped onions, chopped scallions, or as we say in Trinidad, scythe, chopped or minced garlic, some pimento peppers and hot peppers, and here I have some green seasoning. This green seasoning contains purina, or it's also known as Mexican oregano. So when you're making curry duck or curry goat, purina is such an important ingredient to use. So I'll link the recipe for my green seasoning, this one especially, down below in the description box. Now you're gonna give everything a good mix, and you would ideally want this to marinate for minimum 1 hour. You could let it marinate overnight, but if you're in a hurry, you can cook it right away if you like. So just mix that in really well, and once it's mixed in properly, go ahead and cover it and store it in your refrigerator until you're ready to use it. So I already have my fire going, and I'm going to place my pot. Remember guys, this pot is from Imusa, and I'm going to add in my oil. When the oil starts to warm through, add in your methi and your geera seeds. So we're going to allow these to brown until they're dark brown in color. I don't like burning them, I just like them to flavor the oil. Now I'm going to go in with a few leaves of carapule or curry leaves, and you want to be very careful because it does. Now goes in my the other aromatics, which are onions, scallions and peppers. So you want those aromatics to saute until the onions are dark brown in color. This is going to add more flavor to this oil. Okay, so now that the onions have this nice dark brown color, we're going to add in our 9-spice curry powder. And with this curry powder, you don't need to add any other spices. You know, I usually add like geera and amchur masala. You don't need to. This, you're going to cook it on a low and slow heat. It will darken. All of those flavors will release into the oil, and it's going to smell very aromatic. I can already smell it. So this is a special blend of spices that's great for curry duck and goat. So I'm gonna let this toast here until it turns darker in color. So it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Your curry should start feeling grainy, and you should start seeing the oils separating from the curry. And you guys see how dark it has gotten? So now I'm going to add in some water and allow this to fry up in here. So it's going to fry up for about a minute or 2 until it thickens. Once it has thickened, you're going to throw in your seasoned duck. Okay, now toss your duck in that curry, and we have to allow this to start to bungee down here. So it's going to fry up in that curry until all of the natural juices that it releases at this point dries out. So I'm going to allow that to dry down or bunge down, and then we'll move on. So guys, are you hearing that sizzle? And I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at the color of that curry. A really nice dark color. And we didn't add any geera or amchar masala. We're just allowing it to fry down in here. Bunging down that curry helps it to darken the curry and give it a really nice color. And the aroma is heavenly. So now that it's been bunging down for about 15 minutes and it's starting to stick to the bottom of the pot, now we'll add in our liquids to help it cook. So this is some water that I added to my blender. I blended my seasonings in because I didn't want to waste that. So if you wanted to, you can also add coconut milk to this. Some people like putting in coconut water. So feel free to put in whatever you want. Now if you wanted to put pigeon peas in the duck, I suggest waiting 10 minutes before it's done before adding that in. And when you're adding in your water, you'd want to use more hot water so that it helps the cooking process move along faster. So guys, once it comes up to a simmer and it's boiling, go ahead and leave it to cook until that liquid reduces by half, and then you can check it. If it feels very firm or hard, you'll need to add some more water to help it cook until it's to the tenderness you would like. So guys, I actually covered down the pot because my duck was really hard. So as you guys can see, it's dark outside now. So the duck is finally finished. It took quite a while because the meat was very tough. So that's it. Look how amazing this looks. Really nice consistency on that sauce. Not too thick, not too runny. So this is how we like it. So guys, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this curry duck video. Try it with the 9-spice curry, guys. You all are going to love that new curry. I am going to enjoy this. I'll plate it and I'll show you guys an end clip of what it looks like. So thank you guys so much for joining me today in the kitchen. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.